I'm right in the middle of the sea. Almost there. So as you can see, it's pretty cloudy today, and I've been thinking what's a good place to do a photo shoot on a cloudy day. So I decided to go to a place called Enoshima. It's an island off the coast of Kanagawa next to Tokyo. Hopefully I will be able to get some pretty sunset pictures at the shore, but honestly, just between me and you, the main reason I'm going there is I want to find a good soba noodle place. I love those.
本日も JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとう
I'm
ござ
gonna
います。
change to this train and then one more time later. I'm gonna change one more time. This time it's gonna be like a super local train. I don't think they even have 2 tracks for the train. I have to find it first. It took me a while to find the station, and the train is here. It's pretty small, so it's gonna be 2 more stops, I think, and then I'm in Enoshima. See you there. So, this is the station, Enoshima. I have absolutely no idea which way the sea is, and most importantly, I have absolutely no idea which way the food is. And well, I guess I can find both by smell. So I'm pretty much at the shore now. I'm gonna have to go under the road to get to the other side, and then go to that island over there. Can you see the mountains on the other side over there? I wonder. You can see them pretty well, even though it's pretty cloudy. Oh, there's a big one over there. I have a lot of people here. I still have absolutely no idea where I'm going, but there's not really many choices, so I'm just going up the hill and let's see what's up there. Still haven't found a good food place. There was one with lobsters and stuff, but I don't think I'm going there. Should I buy a souvenir or something? We'll see. Probably not. What's in there? Somebody's house. There should be a shrine up there. Okay. I'm gonna go on to the other side of the island and see the sea. Oh, another food place. Fish. Oh, this is going to be a pretty steep hill. Well, it's pretty much a mountain at this point. Finally at the top. Not much here. There's a freaking hawk nest over there or something. That's the bird. I don't really want to go near that tree because I don't want to get attacked. I want to get killed by the birds. The birds are huge. Wow, almost stopped in the air. There's no wind here, down here though. Interesting. What bird is that? Oh yes, there's a small park up here. Let's see if I can see the ocean from behind the fence. I think I can. Look out for birds though. I almost get killed once by a seagull. I don't really want to repeat that experience. Oh, nobody here. I don't know why. Nobody's here. This is like the best place on the whole island. Literally 0 people here. And still, it doesn't smell like sea. It smells like grass or something. Oh well, you can see the rocks there, down there. You can see, you can hear. I can hear at least the water, the waves splash into the rocks. Wow. I really like that view. Oof. Now I discovered that there is a huge problem with my GoPro, and I might have to return it or get it changed because of that. And the problem is that the spare batteries get forgotten at home way too often, and for me today is one of those days. Fortunately I have a power bank. It's gonna be really awkward to film while having the GoPro connected to it, especially while walking. I still have 38% left though. We'll see how it goes. Look at this view. There are people over there, by the way, all the way on that island. Also an abandoned house. Must have been nice to live here. I wonder why the people moved out or something. Also, look at that cliff. Oof. Definitely don't want to fall down that one. And here I am at the other end of the island. I don't even know what's going on down there. There are people all over the place, so I guess I'll go there in a minute. But look at this view. Ooh. You can even see, I guess it's Kamakura all the way on the other side. Well, there are people down there as well. Like, what's that over there? Okay, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's go there and take a look. And I guess it's just super huge boulders or something. What's that red bridge? Well, I guess everybody's taking pictures there, so I am definitely not going there, or at least I'm not taking pictures there. Because I want to find something unique. Well, not necessarily unique, just not the same picture, not the same photo everybody takes. Wow. There's like a little aquarium here. Hey. Plants everywhere. There are crabs as well. Pretty small. Not enough meat for local restaurants, I guess. Has to be a lobster at least. Otherwise it's just not good enough for restaurants over there. Oh. Restaurant water. Maybe. The water here is like... Whoa, that was close. The water, I guess it's very deep over there. Like it gets deep fast because the water is... And I'm wet. My feet is wet. Let's find out. It must get deep very fast there. It's so blue. It's just like 2 meters from the shore, and it's... And the water has like a deep blue color. Okay. How about here? Good thing it's not slippery at all. Like the stones, the rocks are not polished, so it's very easy to step. Now the only thing I have to do is not to drop my phone or wallet into the water. That would be really unfortunate. Let's find some crabs. Woo! Another one. There's a big one over there. There's 2 actually. Wow. Should I go down there? Nah, the water is too high. Today was super fun. One of the reasons was that I didn't look up anything on the internet. I just came here and just started exploring. Still haven't gotten any food. Have to go down there and cross that part of the sea. Go back to the town. And then I'm gonna look for food. Which is obviously the main reason I came here. Tempura. I mean, I was going to eat tempura soba anyway, so I thought I would just get normal tempura. I love pickles. Pickles are my favorite thing in the whole Japanese cuisine.